Hey guys, it's Ewok Pilot here, and today I'm doing an unboxing on this package I got today. It's from Minifigs4u, and I've been waiting to do this for a while. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Trying to hide my address because I don't want you kids stalking me. There we go. Tearing the package open. Inside we have the invoice, of course. You don't care about that. Y'all care about what's inside that, which is attached by this staple. And it is a Minifigs4u Commander Bly figure. This is really cool. I've been really happy about buying this. Been waiting for that very patiently. Nothing else inside, so this is all garbage here. Read the invoice real quick. Yeah, Commander Bly CAC helmet. I got it on sale, so it only cost me $25 instead of the normal. I think it's $30 or $28, something like that. It's around $30. Really expensive regular price, so I'm like $3 sale. It's not much, but it's definitely enough. Get the staple out. Yeah. And it's got a Clone Army Customs helmet, of course. You can put the macros down if you really want to. It's got a really nice cloth here. Only gripe is this cape, probably gonna get it replaced with a Clone Army Customs cape. But I like the printing. Matches up with what we get on regular Clone Troopers, Lego Clone Troopers and stuff like that. And yeah, really happy with this guy. I'm going to be doing a full review on him later, so stay tuned to the channel for that. Subscribe if you're new. If you'd like to see more customs from me, from other custom makers. Thinking about buying just like painted figures and stuff like that. But yeah, that's all for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.